If you've ever tried to select a building, a sign, or any object with hard, straight edges in Photoshop, you might have felt a little frustrated with the standard lasso tool. Today, I'll be showing you how to master the Polygonal Lasso Tool, your go-to tool for drawing precise, straight edge selections. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly and confidently isolate anything geometric in your images, whether it's for editing, compositing, or just a little creative experimentation. Let's get started right away. First things first, we need to select the Polygonal Lasso Tool. You have two easy ways to do this. If you're a keyboard shortcut fan, just tap the letter L. That selects the general lasso, but if you keep pressing L, you'll cycle through the different lasso tool modes until you spot the polygonal version. Alternatively, you can head over to the toolbar on the left. Look for the icon that looks like a rope or a lasso and click and hold. A mini menu will pop out, letting you choose the Polygonal Lasso Tool directly. Taking a quick moment here to pick the correct tool will really save you time and frustration, especially when you're working on detailed projects. Once you have the tool selected, it's time to start your selection. Now, instead of dragging like you would with the regular lasso, just click once on the edge of the object you want to select. That plants your very first anchor point, kind of like putting a pin into a map. Next, simply move your mouse to where you want your straight line to end and click again. See how Photoshop snaps a perfectly straight line between those 2 points? Keep going, clicking around the object, setting anchor points at each corner or edge. Little by little, you're tracing the outline of your shape. Sometimes folks worry about clicking in the wrong spot. Don't stress. If you make a mistake, you can always press backspace or delete to remove your last anchor point and try again. Just take it slowly, especially around tricky corners. For something like a box, it's just 4 clicks. For a more complex building, it might be a dozen. Think of it like connecting the dots. Once you've circled your object, you need to close the selection. You can do this by clicking back on the very first anchor point, or, if that's a little fiddly, just double-click anywhere and Photoshop will automatically connect the last segment for you. As soon as you close it, you'll notice those famous marching ants, the dotted line that forms around your selection. That means you're ready to work inside that area. So what can you do now? With your selection active, you can cut, copy, or fill just that specific shape. For example, you could copy a building and paste it into another photo, or fill a sign with color. You could also make adjustments like changing the brightness or contrast without affecting the rest of your picture. Think of this like drawing a fence around part of your yard. Whatever you do inside the fence doesn't spill out to the rest. When you're finished working inside your selection, it's time to deselect. Otherwise, you might accidentally limit what you do next. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+D if you're on Windows, or CMD+D on a Mac. That clears the selection and lets you move on, free to start again or try something new. And that's really it. The Polygonal Lasso Tool is simple once you get the hang of it, and it's incredibly powerful for working with subjects that have strong edges. Give it a try with different objects in your photos and see how much easier your workflow becomes. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Photoshop trick you want to learn next. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Happy editing!